I'm going to watch the ads that run on my YouTube videos on my channel because I always use ad block, so I haven't really seen what's on there. I think maybe I looked for a second for a video I made previously on YouTube ad revenue, but I don't know. I'm just gonna see what kind of ads are running on my channel and give it a reaction. Here's the first one. This is on a video for how to run ads on Instagram and Facebook, which by the way is a really good video, but let's see what this one says.
She spends $500 a day and generates about $1,000 in music sales every single day. Music that people can get online for free. She does this using a unique ad method that I call the Emerald Ad, that you can learn more about if you click the button you see somewhere on this video.
All right, so far, I mean, I've never seen this guy before, no clue, but so far, I'm pretty sure this is just gonna be a sales funnel. He just gave us his cool little name he came up with for his unique strategy that he's now going to try and get us to buy. So let's click this learn more, sign up for the free training, and then you buy my click. I'm pretty sure this is just like a ClickFunnels, if not something very similar, where I get the free training, super catchy title, how we use one unique ad method to make 100 to 300 free training. Yep, sign up for the training, and then in the training you'll get the sales pitch. All right, let's see what the next ad is.
Hey, affiliate marketer, did you notice that Facebook ads prices went up significantly? And did you notice?
This looks like another funnel here. Let's click sign up. Register for a free webinar, free workshop for how to get hundreds of free, thousands, whatever, and then inside of there you get sold on a course.
Notice that your ads started dying a lot sooner than they used to. In fact, you probably uploaded an ad at the beginning of the week, and by the end of the week, even if it did perform a little bit, it stopped performing and the conversions just plummeted. Well, there's a reason for that. It's because the newsfeed is now so crowded that Facebook is cutting corners and they're just stuffing the newsfeed with more ads, driving the conversions down, having that ad blindness now develop for people, and driving the price up as well. So you're not only paying more for the same traffic you used to be getting years ago, but you're also getting way fewer conversions because of how saturated the newsfeed has become. So what's the solution? Well, I've got this other traffic source that you should try.
All right, so he's saying Facebook newsfeed has become saturated. More saturated than it was, yes. Saturated right now? Sure. Oversaturated? Nothing's really ever oversaturated if you're good. Like, if you can run really good ads targeting the right people with a really good product or service that they want, like, you can absolutely still crush it. So, but this is oftentimes how these funnel things work. It's like this thing that people know about and that has been working and people know that it works, come in with that, say why it's wrong, and then offer the solution, the better thing that you should be doing, which is I'm sure he's going to do right here.
Try that's automated and scalable and affordable.
And it's going to be automated and scalable and affordable, and your dog can do it as your employee while you're surfing all day long.
And that nowhere near as crowded or as technical as Facebook ads.
So what is it?
Okay, Feds, I'd like to invite you to a brand new...
It's a free webinar. That's so dope. Man, what's going to replace all that, and it's going to be completely affordable and scalable, and it's a free webinar. That's dope.
Traffic training I'm hosting this week, where I'm showing how I'm generating over 900,000 visitors per month for my affiliate business. In fact,
this is another thing that I don't like just in the whole internet sphere is, that's just like the wrong number that was bragged about. I could easily and very cheaply get a ton of visitors to my website. That's easy. And I could do it super cheap, relatively. But a visitor doesn't mean customer. A visitor doesn't mean that someone paid you their money. A visitor doesn't mean that they paid you their money and that they paid you enough to make your advertising to get that person to do that profitable. Instead, it's just, I got so many visitors to my website. Were they qualified? Did they make a purchase? Did they sign up for anything?
I'll show you how I'm driving traffic on autopilot while not sacrificing any quality, while eliminating any fake traffic or bot traffic that may be coming through, while at the same time having tons of freedom to live my life, work from home, and do whatever I want with.
By the way, it's a BS free zone. So as he's giving the sales pitch, just remember. And like the signed jersey makes me feel like, you know, he has money. It really did come from what he's trying to sell me right now, and it's just like the credit, you know, the appeal to the signed jersey in the background is really lends some really
Now, the reason why
strong
I think it's free
credibility.
is because if you're into any kind of traffic that's just free traffic and that's how you want to build your business, I'm sorry, this training is not going to be for you. I will talk about free traffic techniques that didn't work for me. I'll talk about blogging. I'll talk about social media marketing. I'll talk about software. I'll talk about Quora. I'll talk about SEO. But I'm not going to teach any of that stuff because it simply doesn't work for two reasons. First off, it's never free. None of the free traffic techniques I've ever tried were actually turned out to be free because I either paid dearly with my money by buying software and coaching and
Okay, I'll just say right here, I've completely disproved that on my channel. I show you the numbers. I made videos about it. YouTube is, I would say right now, YouTube and TikTok are the two best ways to get free traffic. Yes, you can get free traffic. Even YouTube right now, after all the years and it becoming so saturated, you can very much get free traffic right now on YouTube.
If you are already doing at least 6 figures a year as a coach, consultant, agency owner, or really anyone with a high ticket offer, then I want to share this process with you. Now, first things first,
Here's another process, but I'm not gonna reveal it in this video, but I'm gonna tell you a bunch of things so you get interested in the process, but I'm not gonna give you the process. But if you want the process, sign up for a free training where I'm still not really gonna give you the process. I'll tell you maybe a little bit more about it, but I promise you in that free training, I will sell you on the course that does have the process. So just a couple steps until you can actually get the process if you pay, what is it, 500 bucks? Let's click to learn more. Now we just got to get the free case study first, and then we can continue through the funnel. But yeah, I mean, we're just looking at another funnel here where, I mean, let's see what they got to say.
I know there's a lot of people competing for your attention and you only got so much time in the day. So we're gonna do our best job to make this as short and punchy as possible. Now with that said, there's a process that we used to get 3,883 high ticket clients, and we identify high ticket clients as anyone who paid $1,000 above in 90 days. 3,883 high ticket clients in 90 days, and the crazy part is this entire process we used took us only a week and a half to set up.
Okay, guys, that's starting completely from scratch. And the reason why is because of these 3 secrets that we're going to be sharing with you in this case
3 secrets.
that we just filmed. Like, literally, we grew up in this industry. Like, he was a 14-year-old kid when he made his first 100K in this industry, then $1 million by 16. I was a 15-year-old kid when I started getting mentored by some of the top people in this industry who were doing 8 figures, even 9 figures. And guys, here's what you have to understand. There's a lot of stuff out there. We get the same ads you guys get. There's so much stuff. It's like, how do I actually do this?
Yep.
You're a coach, consultant, you're like, what's the real path? What's not the gimmicky one? What's the one that's work? What's the one that's the fastest, the easiest, and the one that's real? Not
It's this one. Sign up for the free training.
the one that's made
Get-
up. What's the one that's
Get the process and the 3 secrets.
real? And that's really what we're going to be breaking down for you. After being behind some of the biggest campaigns and being friends with the top people in this space, there's really 3 things that
Who are they? This guy's appealed to these 8 and 9 figure people that have been mentoring him. Ooh, mentorships. Who are they though?
all of them are doing, and we're going to break it down in this case study for you super fast, super short, super simple.
And is just this then just a repackage of things that they've told you that you're now selling to people?
To where you know exactly what you need to do in order to scale to that 7 or even 8 figure mark, or even multiple 8 figure mark, if that's where you're trying to go and you're able to fulfill at that level.
Or even 9, like these guys that I know, they've done it.
Because getting clients shouldn't be a hard thing. That should be the easy part. The only hard part you should have to deal with is your fulfillment. So guys, we're gonna break down these 3 secrets for you. We're gonna make it fast, we're gonna make it punchy, and the first secret is all about conversion. All right, it's about how to actually convert cold
What's the first secret? Well, I'll tell you what it's about, but I'm not gonna give you the secret.
traffic and turn them into buyers. Turn them into people who buy your high ticket services fast. And the second secret is all about traffic.
Second secret? Voice just cracked. Second secret? Man, my voice for real hasn't cracked in so long, and it's never really cracked that much. But second secret, just tell me, we're not gonna tell you it, but we'll tell you about it, like kind of like the general topic of it.
Everyone talks about all these ads, but we're going to share with you guys the traffic source that we can legally guarantee.
And we literally, we checked with our lawyers. We can actually legally guarantee you there's a traffic source. And this is the one that we mainly use to get 3,883 clients.
I feel so safe. So safe.
There's a traffic source we can legally guarantee you will be profitable.
100%. And then the third secret, guys, is all about profitability. It is really cool to push big numbers, to talk about big numbers. This space is all about flashing big numbers. But at the end of the day,
Our third secret? Profitability. You gotta be profitable. It's the third secret, guys. In case you didn't know, profitability.
the reason businesses exist is because it's a system for making money. We want to help our clients. We want to do amazing things. We want to impact people. But at the end of the day, the goal of a business is to take money home, not
Okay. Skip, because the goal of this ad is a funnel for a free training to a course where you sell me your secrets and processes from your 14-year-old and other 9-figure industry tycoon. Okay.
So check it out. Just yesterday, one of my companies did 15.
I've seen this guy before. I feel like this guy's around a lot, running ads and stuff a lot. But I mean, do we?
Sales. And
Today, so far, every ad that I've looked at is just a funnel for secrets and processes and strategies locked up behind $500 pay gates. Let's see what this guy's link takes us to. Oh, here's the big title up here. Register for the webinar training where I can give you my whole sales pitch on this secret 7-figure automated scalable program to buy. Nope. Let's hear him out.
We've already done £4,000 in sales for my marketing education company. We sell courses, we have coaching, consulting services, and we're doing these kinds of numbers because we understand this marketing.
So this is just one of the classic scenarios where this guy's making his money selling courses to people on how to make money.
Need a professional website? I created one for our startup using Wix. Let me show you how I did it.
Wix, I like the happy, bubbly music. Feels good.
First, go to Wix.com. Our startup is constantly evolving, and we need a website that can do the same. We use Wix Video to showcase product demos so users can learn all about our app. Let the adventures begin. With Wix Blog, we can share industry news and updates about.
All right, so Wix, I mean, just pretty big company. They're obviously you can see the difference here between a truly like bigger company and then people who are selling their courses. You know what I'm saying?
If you're selling life insurance and you're not doing these two
Right on the beach, crazy, just beach, lake vacation background. Hey, you want to live the dream life? Be out here on the beach with your shirt off and a 6-pack and a camera, telling people to buy a course so they can live like this too. Then here's what you gotta do.
And Naveen here, brand new agent, did over $9,000 in his very first appointment without.
And the fact that these are Facebook comments is just like amazing. I mean, I'm convinced. Look, I'm not gonna lie. I won't lie. I've recorded a video on the beach, but I never posted it because I realized I recorded a video on the beach.
Now there is only one catch though. I can't show you everything in this little 90-second YouTube ad.
Of course not. You can just use the ad to tell me all about it generally, but don't ever, you can't use the 90 seconds to tell me about any specifics or how it's actually done. Just show me comments of other people who have done this and then tell me how you've done it for all these people inside the industry. And then, but I gotta go sign up for something.
Woo. Click on it now, and I'll see you on the other side.
I'll see you there, man. Can't wait. I'm gonna be so rich with that, with your, I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna be rich with it.
Managing social media campaigns with Monday.com is easy. How easy? This easy.
Here we go. Another bigger, legit company with their purple colors. Purple commercial. That's what I'm think I'm gonna call these. These are just purple commercials. The Wix, the Monday, purple commercials.
With Monday.com, you can manage the entire process of all your campaigns on a single platform. Everything from receiving briefs and working on the creative to planning out your campaigns.
Another organization one, I think that fits the channel. That other one, the insurance agent thing, I don't think that really even fit. Like, there's a Facebook ads video. I don't think that really fit necessarily. This one's really coming out of left field. Liquid vitamins on a how much money should you give each ad set video? Okay. Ooh! She winked at me, I gotta buy it. Exactly. When I'm trying to figure out how much I should spend on my ad sets, I want some Mary Ruth's organic liquid vitamins to nourish my gut. Whoa, what's happening? Oh my gosh. Mask propaganda. That made me, oh, followed up by this? That just means, that means it's time to close the video. Cause I don't know what that warrior, it made me not want to even more, especially with the mask propaganda. And then back to the beach, boy. That's a wrap for this video.